So today, this is the exciting part. I am getting ready to do the wet sanding and buffing on the tail, and let's start getting the tail section put together, even adding the speakers and the tail lights. I'm so excited for this portion of the build because now everything is gonna start coming together. So I'm gonna show you how to wet sand and buff this area right here. Since I already sanded this with 1500, I gotta catch this one up too as well. Focus in this little area just to show you. Just do it until you see that trash disappear. Just keep it flat. This is kind of hard because it has so many bumps and turns and everything on it. All right, next you're gonna do the same thing with the same sponge, but with 2000 grit. So take the 2000, roll it up, and sand. It don't take much. You already got all the trash out, so now you just want to just go over and get all the deep sand scratches out. So grab your buffer, wool pad, and some cutting compound. It don't take much to get the results you are looking for. What, like this? No, I'm kind of thinking, no, I didn't go like that. cord came out. Yeah, speaker. Something failed. Heck yeah, that went right in there. So I am so nervous of pushing this button right here. This is a make or break moment. Tap that screen, baby. I'm about to hit the button. I don't see nothing yet. Oh, there we go. Yes, sir. We got smoke, baby. We got smoke. We got smoke coming out the dragon's nose. Hey, hey, who would do that? Look at that. Oh man. Hey, hey, look, remote control, baby. Yo, smoke out of the nose. Look at that, man. That is awesome. I'm glad I went with the fog.